This material is for information purpose only. However, a no update service will be furnished to maintain current revision. It cannot be relied upon to perform any maintenance task on the aircraft or to meet safety or regulatory requirements. Please use the current revision and effectivity of AMM prior to carrying out any maintenance task respectively.
Wing anti-ice push-button switch controls the wing anti-ice system on both wings simultaneously. If there are no lights on the push buttons, it means the wing anti-ice valves are closed. When the on legend's illuminated in blue, the wing anti-ice valves are open provided pneumatic supply is available. In this scenario on the ground, the valves open for 30 seconds and then closes automatically. This logic is due for test sequence. And the amber fault light comes on when there is a valve disagreement with the selected position or when low pressure is detected or during the valve transit. Engine anti-ice push-button switch controls the respective engine anti-ice system. When there are no lights on the push-button switches, it means the engine anti-ice valves are closed. Blue on legend indicates that the engine anti-ice valves are open if air bleed is available from the engines, and continuous ignition will be selected automatically when at least one valve is open depending on which engine it is. Whereas the amber fault light illuminates when the valve disagrees with the selected position or during the valve transit. When in auto position, the probe and windows are heated automatically in flight to full heating after sensing a liftoff from the ground from the landing gear sensors, or slow heating on ground if at least one engine is running. When the push button is pushed in, the blue on legend illuminates indicating the probes and windows are heated continuously. Anti-ice indication on the He Can Bleed page displayed in white when the wing anti-ice push button switch is set to on. Nothing is displayed otherwise. Note, if the anti-ice label is displayed alone without an arrow, the valve has failed to open. On the He Can Bleed page, the arrow is displayed in green when the related valve is open. Otherwise, it is displayed in amber when the valve is open and air pressure is low or high, or the valve is open on the ground for more than 10 seconds. Note, if the arrow is displayed alone without anti-ice label, the valve has failed to close. On the upper He Can page, when at least one engine anti-ice valve is open, the ignition memo appears, meaning that continuous ignition is selected depending on which engine is installed. Whereas the engine anti-ice memo message is displayed in green if at least one engine anti-ice push-button switch is set to on. Wing anti-ice memo message will be displayed in green if the wing anti-ice push-button switch is set to on. If there is an ice detector installed, then the ice not detected memo message will be displayed in green if ice is no longer detected after 190 seconds or no ice has been detected 190 seconds after the flight crew has set the engine anti-ice push-button switch to on. Rain repellent fluid has been phased out as part of the worldwide effort to protect the ozone layer. Airbus industry has been actively working on alternative solutions and is now in a position to provide the operators with a choice of environmentally friendly rain repellent fluid or windshield hydrophobic coating. There is a rain repellent push buttons which function for the application of fluid on their respective side of the windshield. This is used to improve visibility as it creates a hydrophobic coating. Wiper rotary selectors controls its respective wiper at slow or fast speed. When selected off, the wiper stops out of view.